Looking for a reliable replacement for your power brake vacuum hose? This high-quality power brake vacuum hose is specially engineered for power brake applications in passenger cars and light trucks. If you're experiencing issues with your brake system, or if your old hose has become dry and brittle, this durable replacement hose is designed to restore your braking system to full functionality. One of the key features of this vacuum hose is its ozone-resistant EPDM cover, which ensures that the hose can withstand harsh environmental conditions, preventing cracking or degradation over time. This makes it ideal for use in both hot and cold temperatures, with a temperature range from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to +257 degrees Fahrenheit, -40 degrees Celsius to +125 degrees Celsius, providing excellent performance in various climates. The hose also features textile reinforcement, adding to its strength and durability. Whether you're replacing an old, worn hose or installing a new one, you can trust that this vacuum hose will offer the reliability your vehicle needs for power brake applications. It meets SAE 1403 Type L standards and complies with FMVSS 106 VL, ensuring it meets the highest safety and performance standards. Installation is straightforward, and many customers have found it easy to install. One satisfied customer shared their experience with using this vacuum hose on their 1975 F254x4. They had no trouble with installation and appreciated that the new hose fit perfectly, replacing an old one that was dry and brittle. Don't let an old or damaged vacuum hose compromise your vehicle's brake performance. Click the link in the description to purchase this durable power brake vacuum hose and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a reliable, ozone-resistant replacement. Subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and automotive tips.